Hi everybody, it's Matt from All Over the Lake, and it's a beautiful sunny summer day, and we're heading out to Smithville and hoping to get on some crappie. So I've got JJ with us today, and he's never been fishing before, so I hope we can get on some fish and have an exciting, fun day. So sit back, relax, enjoy, and get ready for some good time. Alright guys, we're all tied up to the bridge. It's a pretty windy day and it's blowing the trolling motor all around, so we went ahead and just tied up to the bridge for now. So we're gonna see if we can get some fish. Hopefully there's some crappie hanging out, and hopefully we catch a ton of them. Let's see what happens. Alright, net them up. Come on, man, it's a nice crappie. Look at that. Finally got a fish. Ah, did I hook you in the face? Alright, dude, to get that other one rigged up. Look at that, that's a nice fish too. Let's see what he is. He's about 11 inches. Here, you want to hold him up so I can get a shot of him? There we go, got a fish. 35 more to go, right boys?
Yep.
All right, here, put him in the live well, Blake. All right. Do you feel a fish on there? Yep. You got it, JJ? JJ's first fish ever. All right, man, JJ, come on. Get him, JJ. Woo! Just keep reeling him up. Keep going, come on. Oh, there he is, man. JJ's first fish. High five, JJ. Woo! All right, man. That's your very first fish ever, huh? You want to hold him, man? He's let me get him unhook. All right, man. You want to hold him by his little mouth?
Let's go. Finally.
All right, man. Can I get a picture? Yeah, let me get a picture. All right, man. All right. Am I still recording, Blake? Let's measure him up. This one's a monster, man. Oh my gosh, I can barely. Oh, he's a giant 8.5 inches, man. That's a huge one.
Good times. Good times.
Man. Good times. Come on, Zach. Do it. No. This is a bass. Oh, get back here. Oh, get back here. Get back here. Net him up.
Yes.
All right, there we go, man.
First fish he's ever net up.
Woo!
Getting better times.
All right, man. Whoa, 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 calm down. Look at that. What do you think?
Oh, I think it's huge.
He got a bite again. You ready, Zach? Hold up. Hold up. I'm going to try to help you set the hook. All right, reel him. Reel him, reel him, reel him. All right, Blake. I mean, Zach caught a fish, man. I accidentally turned it off when I was put on another minnow. Hey, will you lift this lid up? I'm gonna put Zach's fish in here.
This one?
Yeah. You get him, Blake? Oh well, you got one. Here, I'm gonna net it. Get it up here, Blake. Oh, that's a good crappie. What are you talking about, small? That's the nicest one of the day, Blake. What are you talking about? Look at that, man. That's a nice fish. Yeah, that thing's almost 12 inches. Biggest fish of the day. Hold it out. I'm gonna get a picture of you. Smile, man. Ah. Do that again. That was great. Oh, Kyle caught one. Ooh, that's a nice fish too. Good times. Ooh, you barely got him in the corner of the mouth. That was luck. Lucky, lucky, lucky. Set it down in the water. Set it down in the water. Hold your fish out so I can get a shot of it. Don't you lose him, boy. Step back that way so I can get some good footage. Let me get some footage. All right, back up. Back up. Hold him out. Hold him out here. Let the viewers see him. Hold him up. Hold him up. Look at that beautiful Smithville Lake Crappie. Are you having some good times?
Yeah.
Good times? All right. You want to measure him up or just throw him in there? You know he's decent, right? Can I get a picture of you, Foo? All right, man. Throw him in the live well. Let's do some more. What'd I tell you? Did I tell you I could be a fishing guide? You see anyone else catching any fish around here? Ain't nobody else catching no fish around here because they ain't on this here boat. Hey, did I turn this off?
It's still on.
Feels like a good fish, Kyle.
I see it. Busy.
Get him up. All right. Look at that one. Is that the nicest one of the day?
For sure.
Oh, show. Oh. Look at that one, JJ.
Oh, that's a big fish.
Woo. 13 inches. Here, Zach, you want to hold this?
Yes, sir. Oh, it's too big.
Grab him good. Grab him. You can see it.
So big.
Everyone see that fish? It's beautiful, huh? Smile. Give me a smile. Say, yeah, we caught a fish.
I saw its bones.
You saw its bones?
Yeah, see its bones.
Hold them up. I'm going to get a picture of you holding them.
Can somebody else do it?
Here's, you hold them. Got him, got him, got him. Hurry, net him up, net him up. There we go, all right. Teamwork makes the dream work. Good times. Ah.
It's not terrible.
It was a okay.
What'd you say, Zach?
Okay time.
Okay times. It was okay times. I'll take okay. Let's put him in there. All right.
Pull it up.
I got him. He's just a small one. He's just a small one.
So cool.
All right, Kyle, get him over this way. I'll net him up for you. Is it a good one?
I don't know.
Seems like a good one. Get it up. Woo! Oh, you got in the other net line or something. No, there it is. All right, good job, Kyle. You feel better now?
Yeah. Love you, Blake.
What do you mean?
I caught a fish. I said, love you, Blake.
I've caught more than you.
Hey, I don't. Okay. The joke was I'm in a good mood now.
Alright, the joke is you start fishing. Hey, JJ.
Oh,
Can I catch the next fish?
hold him out here. Let's see him.
Can I catch the next fish?
Oh, the camera fix.
All right, put him in a live well. Here, let me net him up. Oh, just get him up in the boat. He's just a little feller like you, Zach.
I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna hold that.
You want to hold this thing?
I'm gonna hold that.
All right, hold him way out. Let me get a shot of him. Look at that. High five, man. You're a fishing master, aren't you? Yeah.
Look surprised. Look surprised.
Look like I can't believe I caught it.
Beat Blake and Zach, dude. Lord.
All right, you want to put it in this live well?
Yeah, open it.
I'll open it.
Open it.
Put it in there. What do you say? What was that?
Good times.
All right, high five.
Oh, it's
Oh,
a bass.
Where's that?
Oh, Kyle.
Yes, he's gonna win that.
good job, Blake.
Yes, sir.
All right, here, back up a little bit.
I'm catching the next
Look at that
one.
fish. Let me get a picture of you.
Yeah, boy.
All right. All right, put him in live well, man. Is it probably a bass?
Tree bass.
Oh, slow down, slow down. Why is it fighting so hard? No, it's a bass. There we go.
Let's go.
Your first bass?
Yep.
First bass of your life.
Your very first white bass.
Here, let's get it. Oh.
He's next. Get him up. Get net him up, Zach. Net him up, Zach. Oh, you did it, Zach. Oh, get him. No. Flip it around. What's happening? Get it. Yeah. Oh. You did it, Zach. Woo. All right. All right. All right. All right. Look at that. Here. You want to record me? Yeah. Look at that fish you caught, man. Look at that beauty. Look at that. Look at that. What a fish.
Thing is nice.
He is nice. Nice, nice, nice. That was some good time. All right. All right. You want to hold him out for the viewers to see, JJ? Look at that.
Let's go. Yes. Wow. These things are nice.
All right. You want to throw him up in the live well? You want to try to catch one, Mo?
I see you, JJ.
You like netting them up? Good job netting them up.
Good time.
Gucci time.
Gucci times.
I had an awesome day, mate.
Done fishing, we're headed home, and buckle your seatbelt, for I murdered you. You just messed my film up. Anyways, all right, guys.
Basketball with me. Shh. Sorry.
You want murder? All right, guys. All right, guys, we're all done fishing. We're headed home. We're gonna count them up and see what we got. All right, we're going to count up how many fish we got. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 11, 17.
Ooh, that was a big one.
That's that one I caught.
Slab.
All right, guys, there you go. Not a bad day. We got 17 fish, so hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Make sure to leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't already to see more of my content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.